So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can take the screenshots in the games you stream using Steam software on your PC, or you can say the Steam client, which is one of the best in order to stream the games on your PC, which as many of the games are available for free on the Steam as well. Now in order to take the screenshot on the Steam, all you have to do is to just simply open the Steam software on your PC, and you have to do a little settings, which is you will find the option of settings on the top left corner. You can see it's just right there. When you click on the option of settings, here you are in the settings window of your Steam client. Now in order to check the screenshot shortcut, or you can see or you can say you have to set the screenshot shortcut which is used for taking the screenshots in the game. Now you have to go to the option of in-game over there. When you click on this option, here you are in the in-game settings of your Steam client. Now here you have to scroll down and find an option of screenshot section. You can see just right there. Now on the first option over there, you'll see the option of screenshot keys or key. Here you can see the shortcut key that has been by default selected for the screenshot. You can either use this key in the game to enable the or to take the screenshot, or you can easily change this key to take the screenshots as well. So by this method you can easily take the screenshots in the game you stream using Steam software. You can change the shortcuts keys as per your convenience as well. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having some more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.